Okay, let's try question 2 here. And I've cheated and graphed the thing here, or at least I put it into my computer and it told me the answer. Now, how the heck would you know all this stuff? Well, just take the 5 steps that we did. And the first one is, if that's positive, you can see if that number in front of x cubed is positive, you know the shape. It means it's going up, and there it is. Hey, it really is going up. And then how can you get the y-intercept? Well, you let x equal 0. Put a 0 in there and you get the y-intercept, 0 and 0. Hey, we got an x-intercept too. Well, that makes sense, yeah. Okay, now how do we get the x-intercepts? Well, we let this equation equal 0. We factor out the x, and hey, this part factors. It's minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x, so minus 3 and 5 and 0, those are the x-intercepts. And look at them, A, B, and C, right there. And you could label them if you were doing it, or you'd just write a minus 3 right here. This is the origin, and there is a 5. Okay, now we're going to find these turning points, a local maximum, a local minimum. The computer calls it an extremum. Now, how did the computer know that was the value? Well, this is what you do. You take the derivative of this, and it's 3x squared minus 4x minus 15. And then you make it equal 0. Okay, we let it make it equal 0. And then you factor. Put down 2 brackets. You can only get 3x squared by going 3x times x. 15 is likely 5 times 3. And if you put it here, there's minus 9x plus 5x. Hey, that works. You could use the quadratic formula. You'd get the 2 answers, minus 5 over 3 and 3. And just take those values, put them back into the original equation, and you'll get the 14.81 and the 3 and minus 36. So you could label those points there. But there they are. The local maximum up here, D, and the minimum, 3 and minus 36. Now the last thing, where's the point of inflection, where it turns from concave down to concave up? Hey, it looks like it's about here, but how do we do that? Well, you take the derivative again, 6x minus 4, put the 4 over there, divide by 6, x is 2/3, and then take 2/3 and put it back into the formula, the original one, and you'll get about minus 10 point something. Hey, if that's minus 36, minus 10, oh, that sounds pretty reasonable, that it'd be right around in there. There's your point of inflection. It's an ugly fraction here that my calculator gave me, and the computer didn't want to do the point of inflection for me. So there you go. There's question 2 now.